Hi, my name's Callum Henderson and I'm here to quickly let you know how to redeem an app download code. Now there are three places you can redeem a code, either on iTunes on the Mac, or on an iPhone, or on an iPad. First of all, I'm going to show you how to do it on a Mac. Simply open up iTunes, head over here to the top right hand corner of iTunes, click on redeem. Then all you have to do is click in this box and copy and paste in your code and click redeem. You'll then be able to download your app. That's the first place, iTunes. The second place is on your iPhone. All you need to do is open up the App Store and you'll see this page under featured. Scroll to the bottom of featured and you'll see a button that says redeem. Tap redeem and you'll be given a place where you can enter in your gift card or download code. You can also copy it in. The third place is on an iPad. Now on your iPad, just go to the featured tab, scroll down to the bottom and you'll be able to tap on redeem and a pop-up pops up letting you know you can enter in your code. Now those are the three places you can do them anywhere and all of them will download the app to your account. Hope you've enjoyed this quick how-to.